breakout move on US30 and US100 yesterday, a strong bullish move. Now what is going to happen today, whether it is going to sustain the bullish momentum or it is going to retrace back a bit, we are going to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we will look at US100 followed with US30. Also those who are interested into other markets and commodities including gold, silver, oil, natural gas, FTSE 100, Germany 40 or India, that is Nifty as well, they can watch the other analysis as well. So press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest analysis. Let's start the day with US100 first. See, US100 after this bullish move, it is trying to give you minor retracement with the support here at 12,250 levels. It is trying to, rather I'll say 12,200 itself, breaking below 12,200 only one can expect that it is going to drop. At the same time, any move beyond 12,300 is a good level to go long. So in between these 100 points, we should not take a position there. Look at the directional movement was bullish. It is trying to converge a bit. The stochastic with the slightest drop, it has come to the lower levels, and this indicates that it is just trying to cool down the indicators, nothing else. There is a crossover here on the hourly charts on the MACD indicating more bearishness there in the coming candles. RSI was near to overbought levels. It has come down a bit, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, after this bullish move, it is trying to retrace back a bit. The support there at 12,200, 12,180 can be there, which is going to be a stronger support, and any breakout beyond 12,300 is definitely a good indication that the same rally can resume, and it may try to achieve 12,500, 600 zone, which is a stronger resistance. Now look at the directional movement is extremely bullish. The stochastic is near to top, looking downwards here. So you can see this. It is looking downwards, sloping downwards. MACD was extremely divergent, now trying to converge a bit. RSI is also trading near to overbought levels. So a little retracement or little cooling till towards 12,180 can be seen. Now look at the 3-hour. So one must not forget that the Nasdaq 100 was trading in this sideways channel for long, and it has shown a breakout. So after the breakout, the rally must sustain a bit. If it is really bullish, it can break this levels at 12,300 again, and then we can see a rise. Yes, there is going to be little resistance there on the upside, and at the same time the support here at 12,200. Below that one can expect 12,100, which is a stronger support, then 12,000, which is going to remain a very strong support there for Nasdaq 100 on the downside. Directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is overbought, and that is why we can see slighter red candles. The MACD is overbought here, and it is trying to retrace a bit. It is trying to converge a bit. The RSI is near to overbought levels. So on the 4-hour charts too, similar. So this is the rise there. This is the breakout there. Breakout candle was extremely sharp, and then now it is trying to retrace back a bit. So what it is trying to do? It is trying to cool down the indicators, which is come down to overbought levels, and then probably till US cash session we may see trading sideways, and then it will try to show you a breakout again. So I'll be cautious between 12,200 and 12,300 levels. Below 12,200 only I'll expect it to drop till towards 12,100. Then it will again come back to 12,050 and 12,000 levels. There is a support there at 12,000 levels and 11,900 levels. So I'll be cautious, but it is trying to retrace back a bit and can continue to remain bullish. The directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is overbought, so that is what it is trying to do. It is trying to trade or trade with a bearish bias and cool down the indicators a bit. Probably it can try to take it towards first support at 12,200, and then below that we may see it dropping till towards 12,120, 12,050 and 12,000 levels. And directional movement is extremely bullish here. The RSI is near to overbought levels, but trading with a slighter negative slope. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, 20 period moving average, it is trading beyond 20 period moving average. After long, it is trading above the 20 period moving average. So I have hardly seen, see, this was the time when it was above 20 period moving average. Almost a month back, more than rather couple of months, I should say, couple of months back, it was above 100 period moving, 20 period moving average, traded for a little, and now it is trying to do the same here. So yes, the levels at 12200 should provide a very strong support for Nasdaq 100 for any downward move. Now look at this. See, also one must not forget that this is almost the top of the channel there. So yes, it has achieved the high there, but the high is still very much confined, well confined within this channel. So what it is seen, we can see this rise there. You could have forgotten, but let me show you. This was the rise there. We have seen that it has formed the double top and then it has dropped again. Now look at this here. Again with this rise, it has almost come back to this levels, and there is a probability that it can come back to 12500 600 zone too, and from there a drop can follow. So there is a probability for it to rise. If it trades about 12300, it can again come back till towards 12500 600 zone, stronger resistance, and from there a drop can follow. There is a possibility of that. At the same time, breaking 12200, we can see a little drop. Directional movement is bearish here. On the daily charts, the stochastic is overbought. On the daily charts, the MACD has crossed over white divergent. This is the third green candle, and RSI trading flat. Considering this, yes, you also look at this. On the downside, the levels at 12,000 should provide a very strong support. So yes, you can go short below 12,200. The first target is going to be at around 12,140, 12,120, and then below that we may see it dropping till towards 12,050 and 12,000 level. And if you see it trading about 12,300, you can go long. 12,350 first resistance, then 12,400 next resistance, and then it will try to hit 12,520, 12,600 levels. This is going to be a stronger resistance for Nasdaq 100. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. See, US30 has gone to close to 32,800 levels. There is a resistance at 32,745, which it has to break past and sustain past by. If it breaks past 32,745 again, yes, you can go long, and then 32,800. Beyond that, definitely it will fly. So what it is trying to do, it has seen the rally trying to consolidate with the support here at 32,550, 500 levels. So I will be cautious till it trades above 32,500 for sure. Below that, one can expect 32,400, 32,200 levels. Directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is again looking upwards. The MACD has crossed over for a sell-off. It is white divergent and bearish. The RSI is trading flat there, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you will observe that it has formed a double top there. It is trying to reverse and retrace back a bit, and another red candle can come which will try to bring it towards 32,400 level. Similar size of candle can be seen maybe, and it can in fact try to drop till towards 32,300 200 zone, which will still keep it in this bullish channel. So yes, this is trying to trade in this channel. The channel lows are now at 32,300 levels. Breaking 32,300, definitely there could be further bearish move. Now look at the direction movement is bullish, but it is converging. The stochastic was overbought. Now it is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge and crossover for a sell. The RSI is near to top, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you will observe that, see, the bearishness is diminishing. Rather, you can see this was the breakout. It is consolidated a bit and now trying to trade with this as support. So a probable long entry can be taken if you see it trading below, beyond 32,660 levels. Beyond 32,660, again it will try to hit 32,745, which is going to be stronger resistance, and 32,780 levels. So trade cautiously with that, as it is trying to reverse back a bit. And at the same time, on the downside, go short only if you see it trading below 32,500. So in between 32,500 and 32,660, do not trade. Directional movement is bullish here. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge back a bit on the sell side. The RSI is near to overbought levels. Remember, today is the weekly options expiry also. We can see a little swings because this trade is consistently trading in green for the entire week. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, it is trading in this upward trending channel. How far is the sky? On the upside, it can try to hit 33,100 levels, which is going to be stronger resistance. Now look at this. On the downside, if it breaks past 32,500, one can expect that it will try to come back till towards 32,400 and 300 levels, which are going to be very strong support levels. Below that, 32,200 levels will come into picture. So only bearishness on US30 is below 32,200. Below that, definitely it will break again, start breaking again on the downside. Directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is overbought and it is looking downwards. MACD is trying to trade flat, trade with a bullish bias. The RSI is near to top there, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see, now what it has done is it has achieved the channel highs. Rather, this time it is trading above the channel highs there. So it is broken out of this channel and it is trading with a bullish bias. So look at this, the downside support. If you consider, this is the 20 period moving average, this is the channel in which it is trading. The support here at 32,200 and then 32,100 levels are going to be stronger for US30 today. So yes, you can take a long entry at 32,660. Beyond that, one can expect 32,780, and then beyond that, if it trades above 32,780, one can remain long for 33,100 levels, and one can expect a sharper move. And yes, below 32,500, one can go short for 32,400, 32,300, 32,200, and every 100 points there is going to be a support, but it can reverse or retrace back till it is above 32,100. It can reverse or retrace back again, so take your positions accordingly. Swings can be seen there. Now directional movement is bearish, trying to converge, and stochastic is overbought on the daily charts. MACD is wide divergent and bullish here. RSI is also trading flat. So considering this, in between 32,500 and 32,660, do not take a position. Below 32,500, every 100 points till 32,100 there is a support there. 32,300, 350 zone should be a stronger support. So below 32,500, you can expect 32,400, and that 350, 300. This zone is important at 32,300, 350. Below that, we can see a good drop till towards 32,200, 100 levels. A stronger support at 32,100 too. Below that, one can expect it to crash. So that is what I am saying, crash. And yes, on the upside, it may try to achieve 33,100 if it trades above 32,660 levels. The first target 32,780, then it will try to hit 33,100 today itself. Take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. You can join my next mentorship batch. This is the 11th batch starting on 6th of June. Reach out to me for more details, my trading and training related queries. My email ID and telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.